Everybody is talking about making money with AI. Social media is filled with people claiming you can earn thousands of dollars every month with just a few clicks. But how much of that is actually true? The reality is that most AI side hustles fail because they're based on hype, not real business demand. However, there are some AI side hustles that are genuinely working right now, helping freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs earn real income by solving real problems. In this video, we're going to look at AI side hustles that actually work in 2026, including AI video editing, automation services, content creation, chatbot setup, website building, and more. Most importantly, I'll show you why businesses are paying for these services and what separates the people making money. Before we begin, if you're looking for practical ways to make money, grow your income, and stay ahead of the latest AI trends, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We post regular content on AI, investing, business opportunities, and online income strategies. Now let's dive into the AI side hustles that are actually working right now. Everyone is talking about making money with AI, but one of the biggest opportunities right now is AI video editing. Creators, businesses, and brands need content every single day for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. AI tools like CapCut, Runway, and 11 Labs can cut editing time dramatically, allowing freelancers to produce more content in less time. But here's what most people get wrong. Clients don't pay for AI. They pay for videos that get views, engagement, and results. If you can write good hooks, tell stories, and keep viewers watching, AI simply helps you do it faster. That's why AI video editing has become one of the fastest-growing freelance services online. One of the most profitable AI side hustles isn't content creation. It's helping businesses automate repetitive tasks. Think about it. Many businesses still manually respond to leads, schedule appointments, and send follow-up messages. Using tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Make, you can automate these processes and save business owners hours every week. And here's the interesting part. Most business owners don't care about AI. They care about getting more customers and saving time. If your automation helps them achieve that, they're often willing to pay setup fees and monthly retainers. That's why AI automation is becoming a major opportunity for freelancers. A lot of people believe AI has killed content writing. The reality is more complicated. Generic writing is becoming less valuable, but businesses still need high-quality content for blogs, emails, websites, and YouTube scripts. The difference is that successful writers now use AI as an assistant, not a replacement. AI helps generate ideas, research topics, and create first drafts faster. But businesses still need human creativity, expertise, and fact-checking. The writers making the most money today aren't fighting AI. They're using it to work faster and serve more clients. That's where the real opportunity is. If you want one of the easiest AI side hustles to start, consider thumbnail and graphic design services. Every YouTuber wants more clicks. Every business wants better social media graphics. And AI tools now make design faster than ever. With platforms like Canva and AI image generators, beginners can create professional-looking designs without years of experience. But remember this, a beautiful thumbnail means nothing if nobody clicks on it. The real skill is understanding what grabs attention and drives curiosity. That's why businesses are still willing to pay good designers, even in the age of AI. Businesses lose customers every day simply because nobody responds quickly enough. That's where AI chatbots come in. Modern chatbots can answer questions, book appointments, qualify leads, and provide customer support 24 hours a day. The best part? Most chatbot platforms require little or no coding. If you can learn tools like ManyChat, Tidio, or Chatbase, you can offer setup services to local businesses. And because chatbots continue working after they're installed, many clients are willing to pay ongoing monthly fees. It's a simple service that solves a real business problem. One of the most scalable AI side hustles is selling digital products. Things like prompt packs, templates, guides, Notion systems, and Canva designs can be created once and sold repeatedly. That's the appeal. Unlike services, your income isn't directly tied to your time. However, there's a catch. Most digital products never sell because they're too generic. The products that succeed solve a specific problem for a specific audience. For example, prompts for real estate agents will usually outperform random ChatGPT prompts. The more specific the outcome, the easier it is to make sales. Businesses know AI is important. The problem is they don't know where to start. That's why AI consulting is becoming a valuable service. Companies want help choosing tools, improving productivity, reducing costs, and automating workflows. You don't need to be a machine learning engineer to get started. Many consultants begin by helping businesses identify simple ways to use AI effectively. As your experience grows, you can offer training, audits, and implementation services. The key is understanding business problems and showing how AI can solve them. Faceless content is booming, and every faceless video needs a voice. That's why AI voiceover services have become a growing opportunity. Tools like 11 Labs can generate realistic voices in minutes, but the service isn't just about clicking a button. Clients need proper pacing, emotion, pronunciation, and audio quality. Whether it's YouTube videos, TikTok content, audiobooks, or advertisements, creators need reliable narration. If you can deliver professional voiceovers quickly, AI allows you to serve more clients and increase your earning potential. Most businesses understand the importance of social media. What they don't have is the time to manage it consistently. That's where AI-powered social media management comes in. AI can help generate content ideas, captions, content calendars, and marketing copy. This allows freelancers to create weeks of content much faster than before. But businesses aren't paying for posts. They're paying for visibility, engagement, and growth. If you can combine AI tools with marketing knowledge, you can offer a service that many businesses need every month. Finding a job has become more competitive. That's why many professionals are paying for help with resumes and LinkedIn profiles. I can assist with formatting, keyword optimization, and rewriting content to improve clarity. But the real value comes from understanding what recruiters actually look for. A strong resume isn't just well written. It communicates achievements, skills, and value effectively. When combined with AI, this process becomes faster and more efficient. That's why resume optimization remains a profitable service. Imagine running a content channel without ever showing your face. That's exactly what many creators are doing today. I can help generate scripts, voiceovers, captions, and even video edits. This makes it possible to produce content at a much faster pace. But success still depends on one thing: attention. The channels that grow are the ones with strong hooks, engaging storytelling, and consistent uploads. AI helps with production, but viewers still decide which content wins. Millions of small businesses still have outdated websites or no website at all. AI website builders have made creating websites much faster and easier. With tools like Framer, Wix AI, and Durable, freelancers can launch professional websites in a fraction of the time it once required. But remember, businesses don't want websites. They want more customers. If your website helps generate leads, bookings, or sales, clients will gladly pay for it. That's why this remains a strong opportunity.
Most people know how to use AI. Very few know how to use it efficiently. That's where prompt engineering and workflow templates come in. Businesses want systems that consistently generate useful results. Instead of selling random prompts, successful creators build templates for specific industries and use cases. For example, sales prompts, marketing workflows, or customer support systems. The more specific the outcome, the more valuable the product becomes. That's what separates products that sell from products that don't. AI has made translation faster than ever, but businesses still need humans to ensure accuracy and cultural relevance. A direct translation isn't always enough. Different countries, cultures, and audiences communicate differently. That's why localization services remain valuable. Whether it's websites, videos, apps, or marketing campaigns, businesses want content that feels natural to local audiences. If you speak multiple languages, I can help you work faster while maintaining quality. That's a powerful combination. When looking at the smartest AI side hustle strategy, consider the difficulty and income potential. Easier tasks include AI thumbnails, captions, and resume writing. Moving into medium difficulty, you can offer AI video editing, automation, and chatbot setup. High-income paths include AI consulting, automation agencies, content systems, and building faceless media brands. If there's one lesson from all these AI side hustles, it's this: AI is not the business. The skill is the business. The people making money aren't simply using AI. They're using AI to solve real problems faster. Whether it's editing videos, building websites, automating workflows, writing content, or managing social media, the pattern is always the same. Learn a valuable skill. Use AI to improve your efficiency. Then focus on delivering results. Because in the end, businesses don't pay for AI. They pay for outcomes. The AI opportunity is still growing, but those who take action early usually benefit the most. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to start making money with AI. What AI side hustle would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.